Now 15 years past, was buried deep and firmly in Vibe Nice. Back then the world was full of people, thousands upon thousands. Yet the one I loved, it was you. There in Vibe Nice, we buried our love in that sacred place, and we prayed the heavens would guard it well, that when your final day came, you'd die in my arms, and I would follow soon after. Only then would we part. It wasn't your fault, nor mine, not fate's fault, not your parents' fault. You simply left first, leaving me behind. You became someone's wife, and I became someone's husband. This life didn't let us be, but I still carry a part of my soul. Untouched, unspoiled, never drying blood. If one day someone's heart breaks beyond repair, may we return to Vibe Nice to wait for each other again, and love again in the place where it all began.